In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the virtual classroom tool in CourseLink. If you notice in the navigation bar, you don't see virtual classroom link. So in order to add that tool, click on this button and then go to edit this nav bar. And then under links, you go to add links. And then you can search virtual classroom here, or you can scroll down and look for it. So here, virtual classroom, I'll click on that one and click on add. Now you notice if you go back to the links, you will see that virtual classroom is here. And you just click on save and close. Now let's go back to the nav bar, and if you take a look, the visual classroom is on the more side. So if you click on more, and the virtual classroom is there. Now if you want that to be visible, you click on this button again, edit this nav bar, and you go to virtual classroom and then click, hold, and drag it. Say for example here, I'm gonna drag it to the after the content button, and then click on save and close. Now let's go back to the nav bar, and you notice that virtual classroom is already in the navigation bar.